And the Vibrosculpt is designed to break up the fat cells under your skin, which reduces the appearance of cellulite, and it claims... Hey guys, welcome back to another As Seen by SB video where I let you know whether a product's worth the investment or not. And today, as promised, I'm doing a follow-up review on the Vibrosculpt after using it for a little bit over a month. Now I'll leave the link to my first impressions video in the card above and a link below, but in this video I just want to give you my experience after using this and give you my pros and cons, and of course stay tuned for the results. And because you guys have been so supportive of my first video, I'll be giving away a free Vibrosculpt, but be sure to watch the entire video because at any point during this video I'll be giving the instructions on how you can become eligible for this giveaway. But first, let's make sure you subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on any new products that I may review that may be of interest to you. Also, be sure to check the description box below for the link to purchase this product, as well as some helpful tips and time codes. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you find this video helpful to you, I'll totally appreciate a thumbs up. But for now, let's get on to the review. All right, so you're probably asking, why did I decide to use this? Well, I have stretch marks on a certain part of my body, and I just want to see if the Vibrosculpt would get rid of my tiger prints. And the Vibrosculpt is designed to break up the fat cells under your skin, which reduces the appearance of cellulite, and it claims to firm and tone your muscles when it's used over a particular area of your body for 10 to 15 minutes a day. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning, be sure to watch my first video after you watch this one, where I gave a more in-depth description of the Vibrosculpt, how to use it, and what each of these Vibrosculpt pads are used for. All right, so enough talking. Did this thing work or not? Yes, it did. Now, here are my progression pictures of my stretch marks before, during, and after. Now, as you can see, it didn't fully get rid of them, but it definitely helped to reduce the appearance. And I'd only been using this for about a month, and admittedly, I didn't use it consistently every day. And also, I didn't stick with one specific pad. I just ended up using all of them. So unfortunately, I couldn't tell you which one specific pad that actually gave me the results. Now, while this did work for what I was using this for, there are a few pros and cons that I wanted to discuss. All right, so I'll start with the cons. I do wish that this was battery operated so I could use this on the go, and the charging dock could also be used as a holding crate. However, at least the cord is long enough so you don't feel restricted to the outlet when using it. Secondly, not really a con, more of a preference, but I do wish that the knob wasn't so close to the spinning head because it can get a little tough to turn it when it's vibrating at a higher level. All right, so that's really all I got, so let's get on to these pros. So I really like that even at the highest level of the vibration intensity, it's not uncomfortable or hard to hold in your hand, and that's because of the ergonomic shape makes it really easy to operate. Also, I would highly recommend using some type of massaging gel during the buffering process because if not, your skin will itch like crazy if used for an extended period of time. All right, so I do have a few more pros that I want to discuss, but before I continue, I just want to let you guys know how you guys can win this free Vibrosculpt that retails at $149, and I'm even throwing in the 3 Vibrosculpt pads. So first, you have to be a subscriber to this channel and like this video. And next, pay attention because once this video hits 2,000 views, leave a comment below acknowledging that you saw the giveaway announcement. And lastly, you'll need to watch 3 additional videos on this channel, like each of those videos, comment under each of those videos, and leave a specific and relevant comment about that video. And the first one to complete those tasks, I'll reach out to you, letting you know that you won. And as always, I appreciate the support. All right, so let's continue on with these pros. Now, I have 2 of their gels. I have the toning firming gel and the hot body slimming cream. Now, I actually like this one here, which is a toning gel, but they both smell amazing and they do a great job of absorbing in your skin while you're doing the buffering process. Now, disclaimer, I did have to reapply at least 2 more times, however, during a 10 to 15 minute session, just to ensure that my skin stayed fully moisturized during the buffering process. And sometimes 10 to 15 minutes seemed a little bit long, but I just watched the video on my phone and it helped the time go by faster. And last pro is the customer service. As I mentioned in my first video, they were awesome. I had issues with the delivery of my product and it wasn't by fault of theirs, but they were in contact with me the whole time and they even offered a full refund or offered to replace the product. All right, guys, let me know in the comment section below if you have any questions about the Vibrosculpt, what you think about it, if you think it's legit. I would love to hear your thoughts. Also, if you're interested in learning about other health and wellness products that I use that I know will be helpful to you, definitely check out the playlist that I've attached. But as always, thank you for watching, and if you enjoy the content of this channel, As Seen by SB, where I let you know whether a product is worth the investment or not, the Vibrosculpt is definitely SB approved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and until next time, stay fit and take care.